Here are two different ways to take screenshots. Go to your computer search options, type here snipping tool, open the snipping tool app on your PC, click on new, and now select a area to capture a screenshot. And we can see the screenshot preview. Now click the save option, select a folder where you want to save, and you can also rename the screenshot, click on save. So this was the first method to take a screenshot. Now let's see the second method. Open your computer, start, open settings. In settings, go to accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and open keyboard. In here you will find this option, use the print screen key to open screen capture. So make sure to turn on this option. And now on, whenever you want to capture a screenshot, just press this print screen key on your keyboard, and then you will be able to easily take a screenshot.